Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will do a podcast, and the member of podcast there are me and Danis. We will podcasting about habit. What is habit? Habit is a thing that you always do at that time. In the habit, there are two types of habit. Do you know one of habit type or both of them?
I know both of them. It's a good habit and bad habit. Salman, could you please explain about bad habit?
Bad habit is what thing that you always do that is bad bad thing you always do and make yourself more make yourself worse in your personality, and you're always do if you always do that, you will make yourself much worse. And Danis, could you explain about a good habit?
Good habit, it's like things that we always do, but good thing that we always do. Salman, could you tell me the example of bad habit?
Bad habit like we do smoking every day, or we like smoking for one day we decrease 2 box of smoke maybe, and maybe watching a bad video or something, and like you lazy to do study, and the other that's good for yourself, and like you don't want to sleep every night, and you always sleep lately, and every night you always playing game when the time is for sleep, and like you always angry and always speak rudely to your parents or someone that's close, and like you play with someone that bad for yourself. And Danis, could you tell me about example of a good habit?
Okay, so good habit is example is you sleep quick, like at 8 p.m. you sleep, then you wake up quick at 2 a.m. and then you always eat healthy every time you eat, and then you always go to gym like 5 times a month, and then you don't smoke, and then you always push up 10 times every day, and then you always do things that you have to do quick, like when you get the quest, you do it right away. Okay, Salman, could you tell me a bit in IDM? IDN?
My habit in IDN, like I think I have bad and good habit. In good habit, I always want to sleep quickly in the night, but that's bad for me because in IDN we always have me time in dormitory with the dormitory teacher, and because that I always sleep lately in the night, and always always I like good habit, always study and read Quran, and always pray 5 times for one day, and like have a fasting in Monday and Thursday, and always wake up quickly, but and when in IDN, maybe some of my friends always do a sport, and I will follow them for a good habit for myself. And in IDN, our principal always give us recommendation about book that good for our personality in IDN and in everywhere. And in IDN, we always teach it about our personality, good or bad, and how to be a good person for everybody and in every time, and in every place, and to anyone. And how about you? How your habit in IDN, good or bad, like that?
My habit in IDN is have bad and good. So the bad is like I always spend too much money on snacks and not healthy food. And then I always lazy and always sleep when the time is time to like to sholat and stuff. But when it's night, I don't sleep. Okay, and I always watching YouTube when time to do IT English Armenia, and I always lazy to have sport and study. My good habit is when the time to go to Moscow, I always do. I always go to Moscow, but sometimes I sleep while waiting for Ikomat. And then I always like to read books. The books is Tiny Habit, and then other good books. And in IDN we always teach other people like TTD. TTD is teacher of the day. Teacher of the day, basically we teach what we got in IDN to people. And And my good habit is I always eat healthy. And I like to play football lately because it was fun. So Salman, could you tell me when you habit from wake up until finish school?
From wake up, I wake at I think three three more 30 3 more 30, and then I wake up, and I wake up by my dormitory teacher, and we I take a ablution and change my clothes to and then go to mosque, and in the mosque I I read Quran and pray tahajud and witir, and after pray tahajud and witir, azan time, and we and I pray subuh, and after pray subuh I halakoh, and after halakoh I go to dormitory and take a bath, and after take a bath I prepare for go to school or for study, and before study I have a morning spirit in IDN, and after morning spirit we direct go to class or one day for IDN first, and after go to class we study. I study about IT first, and after the IT after I study IT lesson, and after IT there is a break time, and after break time there is English lesson. English lesson we teach about we get teach from Mr. Agustam, and Mr. Agustam usually teach about the lesson that we have studied before, and Mr. Agustam will about that lesson that we got in IDN in English lesson. And after English we have Duhur prayer, and after Duhur we go to class and study Diniyah. And after Diniyah done, and in fasting time, after Asar prayer, in fasting time we halakoh. If not fasting, we don't halakoh, and we just directly go to dormitory and prepare for Maghrib prayer. And after Maghrib prayer there is halakoh if not fasting, and after halakoh we pray Isya, and after that we have a dormitory time, and after dormitory time we sleep. And how about you?
So when I wake up, I take wudu and go to mosque. After sholat tahajud and sholat subuh, we halakoh. In halakoh we learn about Al-Quran. And then after halakoh we go back and we go back and we take a bath. After take a bath, I usually eat. Sometimes not because fasting. And then we go to monastery and after monastery we pray duha and then go to class. The subject is IT. In IT we always learn about game and IoT. And then we take a break for 30 minutes. If not fasting, we don't take a break. And then we do English lesson. In English lesson, we always talk about simple past tense, simple present and simple continuous. And then after that, we take wudu again and pray zuhur. After that, if not fasting, we eat. If fasting, we don't eat. Then go to class again, Dinia lesson. In Dinia, we always make design. And then after Dinia, we just go back and eat. If not fasting, but if fasting, we halakoh. Okay, maybe that's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.